Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. I'm Saurabh Kuchal from Dynamics 365 Fast Track team at Microsoft. We are presenting a new series on Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations apps for user license management. As you know, there are many applications under Microsoft, under Dynamics 365. Finance and Operations apps is also building a validation now where before having access to the production environment, user need to have the license assigned. We will have multiple sessions on this. So we are starting with the user license management, and the more and more sessions will be coming in this area. So let's look at what is the agenda today. We will talk about the timeline. When is this starting? What kind of how you can start preparing. So we will also share a quick step-by-step guidance, and we'll also have resources in the end for you. Let's look at the timelines. So every customer has license purchased. They have a contract date. They have sometimes called renewals or anniversary dates, and based on that, this validation will kick in. So we suggest at least 90 days before customers start preparing, look at their licenses usage and prepare for this. All can start. You don't need to wait for 90 days. You can always start today. 60 days before, admins will start getting notifications. So that's important. Whoever are your tenant admins, global admins, they will start getting notifications for before 60 days. 30 days before, the users will also start seeing the notification. So, and then there will be final the actual day, right? The anniversary day call or the renewal day, right? So that's the actual date where the license gets renewed. After that, we are also giving 15 days, right? The 15 days is basically to make sure it gives enough time to admins to act, react, whatever is the reason, right? And make sure they can assign the licenses, appropriate licenses to the all the users. After 15 days, if users do not have license assigned still, then they will lose the access to the FNO app in production environment. I also want to call out there could be customers who may have multiple contracts with Microsoft through CSP or through enterprise agreements or through LSPs, however it is, right? But we will be looking at the earliest contract renewal or anniversary dates starting January 15th, 2026. So, what if you have a customer whose renewal is January 1st, 2026, or maybe January 14th, 2026, right? So, they will be subject to validation. Let's say if it's on January 1st, 2026, then almost a year, January 1st, 2027, for the validation in place. For the customer who is starting, let's say, who for the customer who has a renewal on Feb 1st, 2026, they will start getting in-app notifications 30 days before, which is January 1st, 2026. If there is a customer who is starting on right on January 15th, 2026, these validations will kick off January 15th, 2026 at 12 a.m. Pacific time. So they will start getting notifications from December 15th, 2025. How it will look like after January 15th, 2026, or 15 days after if users do not have the license. They will get some kind of message who do not have any license assigned, like such as below, that you need a license to access this app. In product banner, right, 30 days before, this will be the banner business users, so your business users will be getting. You will lose access to Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations in case you do not have a license. Contact your admin to assign a license as soon as possible. Okay, so now we talked about what is happening, what is the timeline. Now let's look at the guidance, right? What will be the step-by-step guidance for customers? First and foremost, please get familiarized with the licensing model. I will share some information on that one too. We also have reports. We have reports in Power Platform Admin Center, if you like. We also have same report in Lifecycle Services, LCS as it's called. We have also in Finance and Operations a new license usage summary report under User Security Governance feature, which you can enable in your environment, and that also can provide much more detailed information about the license usage aligned with the M365 Admin Center. In short, it's called MAC, right? So in M365 Admin Center, please assign the licenses. You might be assigning the user roles and securities in finance and operations, but still license assignment based on that row, based on the user roles is still required. And if needed, please plan for additional licensing. You can true up, true down, whatever is required based on your anniversary date, contract date. That's why we aligned through those dates. These are some of the new reports you can see in Power Platform Admin Center and Lifecycle Services. In finance and operations apps, also, there is a new report license usage summary under user security governance feature. You can enable these two features, user security governance and license usage summary, and then you will start seeing data in this report in your production environment. Some additional resources, please take a note of this link. You can have get started, learn more, product terms, and in the end, you will find some great resources. You will find the licensing guide, you will find the FAQ. It's a really good one. So here you can find out all the latest and greatest changes happening, and it may answer many of your questions which you may have with the license validation here. Thank you so much for your time. See you in the next one.